class I explained about quadrilateral concept. Now we are doing unit 3 revision. Okay, 50 around 50 question I have completed, 51 question I have completed. Now today I am going to explain 52 question. Note down question number 52. Find the known angle. Find the known angle. Find the unknown angle. Find the unknown angle in the given figure. Find the unknown angle in the given figure. In the given figures. First figure I am giving. This figure is looking like quadrilateral. This is X. We know property of quadrilateral. The sum of all the four angles of a quadrilateral is equal to how many angle? 360 degree. Firstly, I need to add. There are three angles are there. Third angle, fourth angle is asking. Firstly, I need to add all the three angles. We need to add all the three angles. 170 plus 180 plus 83. Start adding, everyone. This addition you can do in the rough notebook or you can do in separate. Firstly, I need to add 170 degree plus 80 degree, 80 degree plus 83 degree. Answer has come 333 degree, right? (333°). And we know angle sum property of quadrilateral. The sum of all the four angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Now I want to find out x. X is equal to 360 degree minus 333 degree. What is answer? 10 minus 8, 3, 7. 5 minus 3, 2, 27 degree. In previous chapter, we have learned triangles. If they have given two angles, third angle I want to find out 180 minus. But in the case of quadrilateral, 360 minus remaining angles. I hope you are getting my point, student. B question. 52 B question. ABCD. This quadrilateral name is ABCD. Again, this is looking like quadrilateral. Firstly, I need to add all the three angles. Whatever answer will become 360 minus the remaining angle. I want to add first here 130 degree plus 70 degree plus 110 degree. 130 plus 70, 200. 200 plus 110, 310. Now I want to find out a known angle. X is equal to what? 360 degree minus 310. What is answer? 50 degree. Why we are subtracting 360? Because that is the angle sum property of quadrilateral. The sum of all the four angles is equal to 360 degree. Next, find the interior angle of pentagon. Question number 53. Find the interior angle of pentagon. Find the interior angle pentagon means how many side? Four side or five side? I have given all concept. If five sides is called pentagons, six sides is called hexagons, seven sides is called heptagon, eight is octagon, nine is nonagon, and 10 is decagon. In this question, what he has given? Pentagon. Pentagon means how many sides are there? Five sides. I want to find out interior angle of pentagon. Pentagon means five sides. The value of n is 5 here. The value of n is 5. This is the figure of pentagon. One side, two side, three side, four side, five side. Means the value of side n is equal to n is equal to 5. What is formula? How to find interior angle of polygon? Check it in the class notebook. I have given one formula. Interior angle of polygon n minus 2 into 180 degree. Interior angle of polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. This I have given formula. Note down. Interior angle of pentagon. Yeah, first write formula. Interior angle of polygon. What is formula? Interior angle of polygon is equal to interior angle of polygon is equal to n minus 2 into n minus 2 into 180 degree. The value of n is 5. 5 minus 2 into 180. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 180. 18 3 is 54. 540 degree. Question number 54. Question number 54. What will be the the sum of sum of the measures the sum of the measures of a convex polygon. What will be the sum of measures of a convex polygon with side with four sides with four sides? Means in this question already the value of n he has given 4. Measures of convex polygon means he is asking interior angle of polygon side when side is 4. Any figure we can draw, the side will be 4. When we are joining 4 line segment, that will form one polygon, that is 4 side polygon. Now already side he has given in this with side 4. Side side is equal to n is equal to 4. I want to find out measures of convex polygon. Sum of measures of convex polygon means it is asking interior angle of polygon. Interior angle of polygon. Now polygon is here what? Quadrilateral. Interior angle of polygon. What is formula? N minus 2 into 180 degree. The value of n already he has given 4. 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. 4 minus 2 means 2. 2 into 180 is equal to 360 degree. Already we know the sum of measures of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Now polygon is here what? Polygon is quadrilateral forming by 4 line segment. Write down very clearly. Question number 55. Find the radius of circle. Last chapter. Find the radius of circle. Find the radius of circle if diameters are first diameter he has given 10 centimeter. Second question 7 centimeter. C question 9 centimeter. This is not multiple choice question. This is question. First question 10 centimeter. Second is 7 centimeter. And third question is 9 centimeter. Find the radius of circle if diameters are 10 centimeter. If diameter is 10 centimeter, what is radius? What is relation between diameter and radius? Radius is equal to diameter by 2. Half of diameter is called radius. Solution, first question. A question he has given radius r is equal to, write small r, no problem. Radius r is equal to 10 centimeter. I want to find out diameter. Oh, sorry. He has given diameter. Diameter d is equal to, diameter capital D is equal to 10 centimeter. I want to find out radius. Radius is equal to diameter by 2, d by 2. D by 2 means 10 by 2 is equal to 5 centimeter. B question, I want to find out radius. Radius is equal to d by 2. In B question, what is diameter? Diameter is 7. 7 by 2 is equal to 3.5. C question, radius is equal to diameter by 2. Diameter is 10, 9. 9 by 2 is equal to 4.5 centimeter. If they have given diameter, it is asking radius. Half of that diameter is called radius. Already I have taught in the regular classes. This is circle. This is circle. Half of length is called radius and total length is called diameter. Total length is called diameter. This is called radius and this total length is called diameter and this is called center point. Question number 56. Find the diameter of circle. Find the diameter of circle. if radii if radii if radius is singular, radii is the plural. Radius is the singular, radii is the plural. If radii are, first question, 8 centimeter, B question 2.5 centimeter, and C question 4.5 centimeter. Now previous question he has given radius, but in this question, previous question given diameter, it was asking radius, but in this question he has given radius, he is asking find diameter. Now in first question he has given radius is equal to 8 centimeter, radius is equal to 8 centimeter. We want to find out diameter. Diameter D is equal to, what is formula? Twice into radius. 2 into radius. 2 into 8 is equal to 16 centimeter. B question. Diameter I want to find out. Diameter is equal to same formula. 2 into radius. 2 into radius he has given second question, in second question for 2.5. 2 into 2.5 is equal to 5 centimeter. In C question, I want to find out diameter. Diameter D is equal to same formula, 2 into radius, and radius he has given 4.5 is equal to 9 centimeter. Write down very clearly, everyone. Question number 57. Find the circumference of circle. Find the circumference of circle. If diameter is 28 centimeter. I have given two formula how to find circumference of circle. What is definition of circumference? Distance around circular region is called circumference of circle. What is formula? Circumference circle small c is equal to pi d or 2 pi r. If they have given diameter c is equal to pi d, the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. In the exam, they will mention what is the value of pi. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Now, everyone stop writing, concentrate here. How to solve this question? Already I have explained in the revision regular time, regular classes. Can concentrate here how to solve this question. In this question is asking, find the circumference of circle. Means it is asking C. And diameter he has given. Diameter is equal to, diameter capital D is equal to 28 centimeter. We know formula. Circumference of circle circle small c is equal to, if they have given diameter, we can apply formula pi into d, pi d. Pi value already he has given, take pi value 22 by 7 and diameter is 28. We can cancel out numerator and denominator because this is multiplication operation. In the case of multiplication only I can cancel numerator and denominator. 7 1 the 7, 7 4 the 28. 22 into 4. Answer is 88 centimeter. If they have given diameter, we want to apply circumference of circle C is equal to pi d. If they have given radius, we want to apply 2 pi r. Both formula I have given very clearly. Next question, question number 58. Find the circumference of circle. Find the circumference of circle. Find the circumference of circle if radius is 2.5 centimeter. If radius is 2.5 centimeter. Now in this question, which we want to apply first formula, second formula? Second formula, because he has given radius. He has given radius. Take pi 3.14. They will give in the question, student, what is the pi value. Now in this question he has given radius. Radius small r is equal to 2.5 centimeter, and I know formula circumference of circle if they have given radius. Circumference of circle small c is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. 2 will write as it is. Pi value already he has given in the question 3.14 and radius is 2.5. I want to multiply 2.5 into 2, 5, 5.0 into 3.14. 5 4 the 20, 2, 5 1 the 5 plus 2, 7, and 5 3 is the 15. Answer is 15.70. Centimeter. Don't forget, your student, to write the mention the units, because units are very, very important student. 15.7 या 70 centimeter. If they have given radius, then we want to apply this formula. Circumference of circle C is equal to 2 pi r. If they have given diameter, circumference circle is equal to pi d. Question number 59. Find the circumference of circle find the circumference of circle